So I think we can continue from where we've left off. So we have, let me just share this part. We see what Kamado has done, which is quite very, very interesting. It looks really nice. So here we have creativity at its best. So yeah. So here for Kamado, it's a cat, chick, and apples. Those are the ones that are crossing the river. So so as you can see, this is what we have. So let's start the game. When you're starting the game, so we have the cat has boarded and then they've crossed the river. You take the boat back, put the chick. Oh, nice. You've even been able to put the rest, which is nice. Good. Going ahead of the teacher. Yay. Okay, there we go. Yes. So that is what you have. So yeah, if any of okay, if the rest were able to look at the code that I shared initially, it had everything actually. So yes. Ah, nice. Dave has also finished. Then we have, could you please pronounce your name? The one you like who recently shared your project, Ashing. I can't pronounce the rest, sorry. Yeah, so we have that. Ah, nice. I love your boat. So we have this boat for Ashing. Yeah, Ashing's boat is very colorful. It's very nice. Yeah, there we go. So let's cross the river with the boat there, and then you take the boat back, you cross the cheek, then you take it back. Nice. So I can see at least this is a good indication that you at least you've been all be able to understand the painting and the drawing part, which is really nice. So let's now just proceed to the second part of the session. So far we've reached here where we've been able to make the lion cross the river. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add our donut. So you're going to add a donut and a rooster. So you come here and you search for a donut. So you share a donut. Sorry, you search for the donut. So we have the donut, we've added it, and then we change the size of the donut to be something quite sizable, so 50%. So 50 is okay because I mean the donut can't be bigger than the lion or the boat. So 50 is okay. Then the size of the lion we set it to 80 there. So the boat has to be the biggest here because it has to accommodate the size of the others. Then we go ahead and add the rooster. So here we go, we have our rooster. Then we set the size of the rooster to be 80, the same, almost the same size, okay, with the lion. So there. So now when you're going to start, of course, our code, all of them should be on the left side of the river. So that, so what you're going to do is, we copy the code. Because the only thing we are going to change is the variables for the lion. We create two variables for the donut, that is donut side and donut on board. Then we have rooster side and rooster on board. So what you're going to do is just drag this code onto the donut. You see the donut is shaking here, so you drop. So that code this whole code block has gone to the donut, this one, the first one. Then now we go to the second code block. We also drag it to the donut. So you drag, then you drop. That has also gone to the donut. And then you go to the last one, you also drag, and you drop. So now when you come to the donut, you'll find that, oops, we only have the last code. But that should not worry you if you've been able to copy all of them. So what you're going to do is, excuse me. So what you're going to do is right click here and then you say clean up blocks. So when you say clean up blocks, all of them are organized on the same side of the same side. Like maybe one was scattered, they were scattered all over. Now they are all organized, and you can be
Come
able to
again.
see that. All
Come
right.
again, teacher. Okay.
So, okay, thank you. So, let's do that again because you haven't copied the code for the rooster. So we are going to copy the code from the lion to the rooster, and then we will organize. So it's just the same thing. What we'll be editing is the capacity, sorry, where we have lion on board, we change to donut on board. Where we have lion, the other one was, yeah, lion side, we changed to donut side. So we changed to the name of the variable name to the sprite that variable is on. So now we are going to drag the first block, this one, that now when you click, the game starts, the sprite is on the left side of the river. So we drag that, then we come here where you see, until you see that sprite shaking, that is when you know you've highlighted the sprite. So when you release the code, that's the code goes to this sprite. As you can see here, it is. Then you come to copy the second block. So the second block that so when you click, it takes it boards the board. So you copy that code again, you take it here, then you can see the rooster icon there, the sprite is dancing. So you release it, and you can be able to see the one for the rooster. Now you can see the other one has disappeared, but initially we confirmed it was on the screen. So don't worry about that. Once we finish dragging all our code to the right place, we will organize it so that you can see all the blocks. So we come to the last block, we copy, we drag it to the rooster again, then you release your mouse, your cursor, and you can see the last block is there. So now to organize our blocks, because you can see this one is on top of the other, you right click. So you right click here on the empty code space, and then you say clean up blocks. So they are all organized very well on your screen, as you can see. So we have that, but now we want this to be the last one, not the first one in the list. So we can just lower it there. So this one you can organize manually. There. So we can all, now you can see we have all our 3 blocks that we copied, and they're all here. Even for the donut, we have the 3 blocks. Now we go on to creating the variables. So we are going to have donut side and donut on board. So we create those 2 for the donut and the other 2 for the rooster. So we are going to have you make a variable, you say donut side. So this is used now to determine which side of the river the donut is on. And then we add another variable called donut on board to check if it is on board the boat. There. And then we're going to add another variable now for the rooster again, the 2 variables. So we add rooster. Now this time round it is for the rooster on board and rooster side.